For this week's tech tip, we're going to take a look at making multiple building requests in the Geomni Dashboard to avoid issues like rejected duplicate projects or similar situations. What you need to do is go in and add an address for the property. It might be an apartment complex, condos, or some other multiple building property, or something like that. Now, in the map area, here, we'll drag and drop the pin into the first building to keep everything organized. And this is important. Make sure to title the project something you can connect to each building. For me, I'll just name it Building 1. And then, for my next request, I'll name it Building 2. This will help to quickly and easily make multiple building requests. If you have any questions about the dashboard, visit geomni.com for more information. Check out our YouTube channel or contact your Verisk account executive.